Hello and welcome back to Criminal IP Search 101. Today, we will be showing you how to search for old versions of WordPress server with Criminal IP Asset Search. Because WordPress is the most famous open-source content management system used for a variety of purposes from personal blogs to official corporate websites. Old versions of WordPress that have not been vulnerability security patched become a major target for hackers. Therefore, it is very important to identify whether your WordPress server is out of date and vulnerable, and make sure to update it as soon as possible. We urge you to use Criminal IP's Asset Search to identify vulnerable WordPress servers. Criminal IP's Tech Stack Filter allows you to search for IP addresses with the technology specified. We will use Tech Stack WordPress to find websites created with WordPress. As we can see here, there are more than 600,000 IP addresses using WordPress web servers to host their websites. We can further narrow down the results by specifying keywords to WordPress versions. For this example, we'll use version 4.8.2 as our example. We can see from domain search results that this website is on WordPress version 4.8.2 and that this website possesses a lot of CVEs that can be exploited. The older version of TechStack can be targeted by hackers, as it requires a vulnerability patch to operate properly. Regular update checks are essential. Check out the version and vulnerability status of your assets on Criminal IP. We will see you again with another search tip.